it to do anything!
You can use it to eat cereal!
Eating with your fingers is boring. Spoon is even worse. Use the X9000 screwdriver!
And when you're in that campfire mood, use it to roast marshmallows.
Looks delicious.
This can is boring. I know! I'll use the X9000 screwdriver! Yay!
Oh, that was horrible itching. Wait a minute. I have the X9000 screwdriver! Oh, yeah.
Plus, you can use it to pick up the phone.
Hello? Yes, I'd love to purchase another X9000 screwdriver. It's awesome! Thanks, Mysterious Screwdriver Man! That was awesome! Here, take your X900 screwdriver back. It's okay, you keep it. Really? My own X900 screwdriver? Awesome. Okay. Hey, can I have your hat too? Don't push it, Chubby. I want the hat!
Great for stabbing too.